Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you Global Ticket System. It's going to be the number one iPhone and computer repair CRM. What I like about it is it's got a 100% free trial.